Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Hey, this is Mark Hess, and what I'm about to show you is absolutely awesome. It's called AI Compulsive Content, and this is a simple three-step system to creating content that keeps bringing people back over and over and over again. It's like that they get a compulsion to come back and visit your profiles, visit your channels, visit your website, because what you're going to be creating is absolutely just exactly what they want. Okay. You're going to teach them something, you're going to give them something, and then they are going to keep wanting more. And that's the whole premise behind AI compulsive content. You're going to teach them something, give them something, which is an AI prompt, and then you're going to make them want more. And then that's the cycle with everything. And you could create unlimited compulsive content using the system and the ChatGPT account that you already have. And I'm going to walk you through, show you how this works, and show you exactly what I'm talking about when I say teach them something, give them something, make them want more. Okay. So basically, what you're going to be doing is creating a lesson or content. Okay. Or you can either call it a lesson, you could call it content, but it's 1,000 words. So you're going to teach them something. In this case, it's in the credit repair niche. And this is going to write a 1,000 word piece of content. And it's actually going to teach them something useful. This is an AI slop. It's not junk. What went into this prompt to create this level of content is next level content. This is expert content. So you're going to look like an expert and gain credibility, okay, when you post this content. So this is 1,000 words of content that you're getting right here. We'll just call it a lesson, okay, because you can use this for a workshop lesson, for a masterclass lesson, for Facebook posts, LinkedIn posts, Medium posts, all that good stuff you can use this for. So you're going to get the piece of content, okay? So that's one, you're going to teach them something. Then you're going to create an AI prompt automatically associated with that content, so they'll be able to immediately apply what they just learned. And even if they just skip the lesson and put this prompt into any AI, ChatGPT, Claude, Gronk, Gemini, Meta AI, Copilot, whatever they want to use, as soon as they post this prompt, paste in this prompt that you give them, that this system automatically creates, they're going to be like, this guy knows what he's talking about. Okay. And they're going to keep looking for all of your content. And that's how it creates this compulsive behavior. It's compulsive content, which makes it easy to sell them things. Okay. Because you're already establishing trust, credibility, and all that, because you're giving them a AI prompt, you're giving them the lesson. I mean, it's absolutely awesome. And then I even put a graphic creation prompt in here, so you could create a graphic associated with this content, the AI prompt, and then the graphic. So the entire thing is done for you, ready to post absolutely anywhere and gain credibility from. This is absolutely awesome. And how the dashboard works is super, super simple. So it gives you the content ideas. So what you're going to do is just paste in your keyword niche topic, or you're going to paste in a URL here, either one, and then generate 5 niche ideas, copy prompt. Go over to ChatGPT, enter that in. It's going to give you all of your content ideas. It gives you 5 of them. If you want more, say, give me more. It'll give you even more of them. Then what you do is just copy and paste, okay, one of these back into the software right here. Click create my 3 prompts. And then right here, you could see prompt 1 is create the content. Prompt 2 is create the AI prompt that goes with the content. And prompt 3 is generate the finished image. So you get the content, you get the AI prompt automatically created that goes with the content, and then you get the finished image. And this works in a niche. It works in dog training, for instance, things that you wouldn't think that AI would be very, very useful for. This is absolutely awesome. So it works in any niche. It works in any market. It'll make you look like an expert. You gain instant credibility. And after the idea, you just keep pasting prompts in. It creates the content. Okay. Right here, it's creating all the content for you. 1,000 words of expert level content, not AI slot. It creates the AI prompt that you could put at the end of your content. Try this with AI. and then it gives you the AI prompt. So you just paste this underneath your content, and it automatically has right here, it has the example built in for you in brackets. So they just replace this with whatever they want. And now this is all personalized to your lesson for them. And then, of course, you get the image also. And it's all done with this dashboard. Copy and paste, point and click. It doesn't get any easier to create compulsive content than this. And people will be coming back because this is the kind of stuff that people absolutely love. So that once they find you, they're not just bouncing off of your page, bouncing off of your profile. They're actually going to stick with you. And that's how you build an audience. So click on the buy now button right now. There's no API keys. There's no added creation costs. There's no drama. You get instant access to AI compulsive content. Use it as much as you want. It's unlimited premium access to this. You just copy and paste and follow the dashboard. And this is the type of content and this is the type of stuff that you want to be using. Hell, you could take 5 of these lessons, put them in a PDF. They're going to have lessons. They're going to have prompts. I mean, it's absolutely awesome. This is one of the best ways to create expert level credibility building content is through AI compulsive content, and you can get your hands on it right now. It's instant delivery, even at 2 a.m. It automatically gets delivered straight to your inbox, and you could start using this right away. So thanks for taking the time to check it out. I hope to see you on the inside.